Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see understand secure score in Microsoft 365 Defender. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. I am on the home screen of my 365 Defender portal here. It is loading my secure score. It will take few seconds and it will load up. So Microsoft Secure Score is a measurement of an organization's security posture, with a higher number indicating more improvement actions taken. It can be found in the Microsoft 365 Defender portal, which I'm showing you now. So if you follow the Secure Score recommendations, you can protect your organization from threats from a centralized dashboard in the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Organizations can monitor and work on the security of their Microsoft 365 identities, apps, and devices. I have a lab environment, but here you see the way the secure score is presented to you whenever you are checking on the portal. Through this, we can gain access to robust visualization of metrics and trends, integration with other Microsoft products, score comparison with similar organizations, and much more. So the products that are included in Secure Score are Identity, Microsoft 365, Azure AD, Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Identity, Cloud Apps, and Microsoft Teams. If you want to see the device compliance, you can check the details. If there are users, you can see the users at risk as well. You can take action to improve your secure score. If you click on improve the secure score, it will give you all the recommendation actions that you should follow to improve the secure score. It also includes their statuses like address, planned, risk accepted, how was it resolved, it was resolved through alternate mitigation, or it is completed. So if you click on this first recommendation that we are getting to improve the secure score, you would see that it states require multi-factor authentication for administrative roles. Requiring MFA for administrative roles, it's harder for attackers to access accounts. Administrative roles have higher permissions, and all the descriptions. It would say the user impacted. It would show you that it protects against password cracking, account breach, and elevation of privilege attacks. There is one entry, and how are you going to implement it? It also lists those steps as well, and with all the links that you can read more about it, right? And if you want to edit the status or action plan, you can say that it is planned, or it is a risk accepted, or it was resolved through third party, and then the action plan that you have to implement this recommendation to improve the secure score. If you go back, you would see another recommendations that you are seeing. Ensure all users complete multi-factor authentication, create safe links policies for email messages, use advanced protection against ransomware, BitLocker, JavaScript. There are tons of recommendation actions that are required to improve the secure score. You can see the history of what has been implemented, what has been not, and how we can implement the secure score. When it was implemented, how it was implemented, what all points we received when we enabled a specific recommendation. Okay. And it would give you metrics and trend as well, because I have a lab environment. That is why you are not seeing a detailed trend when it comes to Microsoft Secure Score. Okay, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you want to read more about it, you can go on to the Microsoft documentation and go through that documentation. If you have any other queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.